Have you ever wondered how Pringles are made? In today's video, we are going to unveil the mystery behind this beloved snack and take you on a journey inside the factory to see how it's done. Get ready to discover the secret behind Pringles and find out what really goes into making this crispy, savory treat. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an inside look at the fascinating world of Pringles manufacturing. The Pringles, everyone's favorite stackable potato chip. They're crispy, savory, and always seem to disappear way too fast. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these unique chips are made? Well, today we're peeling back the layers of secrecy that surround the Pringles factory and revealing the inner workings of this iconic snack food production line. Join us as we explore the fascinating process of how Pringles are made from start to finish. You won't believe the technology and precision that goes into making every single can of Pringles, so get ready for a delicious deep dive into the world of Pringles manufacturing. At the heart of every great snack is its secret ingredient, and Pringles is no exception. That's why we're starting our tour with a trip to the source, the raw potatoes. The journey begins with the humble spud, the same kind you might find growing in your garden or at your local farmer's market. But these are no ordinary potatoes. These are specially selected varieties that have been cultivated for their unique texture and flavor. Once harvested, the potatoes are carefully inspected and sorted to ensure only the best make it to the next stage of production. But the process doesn't stop there. Before they can be turned into the crispy chips we all know and love, the potatoes must undergo a transformation. They're washed, peeled, and sliced into thin, delicate sheets. It's at this stage that the magic really begins to happen. The potato slices are so thin, almost translucent, allowing the natural beauty of the spud to shine through. But don't be fooled by their delicate appearance. These slices are about to undergo a dramatic makeover. As the potato sheets move along the production line, they are met with a series of rollers that flatten them even further, creating thin, crispy sheets. The transformation is remarkable, turning something so ordinary into something extraordinary. This is where the real work begins. As the now impossibly thin potato sheets emerge from the rollers, they are far from the finished product. To create the distinctive Pringles shape and texture, each sheet must be cut into individual strips and then curled into a cylindrical shape. It's a delicate process that requires precision and care, but the results are worth it. Each curl is perfectly formed, ready to be stacked, and ready to be transformed into the iconic saddle shape we all recognize. But wait, there's more. The individual curls are not just left as they are. No, they undergo a series of treatments to give them the signature Pringles flavor and texture. First, they are seasoned with a blend of salt, pepper, and other spices, creating a savory, mouth-watering taste that is simply irresistible. Then they are doused with a special oil, which adds a rich, crispy texture that makes them irresistibly crunchy. At this point, the chips are already looking and tasting like the real deal. But the final step is what truly sets them apart. The chips are cooked to perfection, emerging golden-hued and ready to be packaged. The end result, a stackable chip that is not only visually appealing, but also boasts a unique flavor and texture that has made it famous around the world. And there you have it. The secret behind the seemingly simple stackable chip is revealed. It's a fascinating process that transforms humble potatoes into a global phenomenon. Now you know exactly how Pringles are made. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating process that brings these iconic chips to your pantry. From the moment the potatoes are harvested to the finished product in the can, each step is a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship of the people who make Pringles. But it's not just the process that makes Pringles so special. It's also the taste, that perfect balance of salty, savory flavor and satisfying crunch that has made them famous around the world. So the next time you open a can of Pringles, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that went into making that perfect snack. Thanks for watching and happy snacking.